Hello class 4 students. So in this video I will explain English Reader chapter number 3rd. The name of the chapter is The Trick That Did Not Work. So first of all we will look after the main characters of the story. So these are the 4 main characters that you will look in the story. First one is Jung, the lion. Second is Chalu, one of the jackal. Golu, again one of the jackal, and the fourth character, the last character is Bull. Okay, so these 4 characters you will see in the story. Now let's start with the introduction first, then we will move toward the story. The introduction is: a pair of jackals become ministers to the king of the jungle and use trickery to keep him under their control. But they do not realize the power of friendship. This classic tale from the Panchtantra shows why trying to fool others can be a very foolish thing. So, these 2 jackals, Chalu and Golu, that we have seen in the characters, they are the ministers of the king of the jungle, and the king of the jungle is Jung. Okay, so ये जो jackals हैं दोनों, ये किसके ministers हैं? The king of the jungle, and they use tricks. They use tricks to keep the king of the jungle under their control. वो क्या करते थे? वो कुछ tricks use करते थे so that the king of the jungle, Jung, वो उनके control में रहे. But they do not realize the power of friendship. They don't know the power, the importance of friendship. This classic tale, this story is taken from one of the story book, that is Panchtantra. The story book is Panchtantra, and it shows that when you try to fool others, when you try to make stupid to others, और उनको आप बेवकूफ़ बनाते हो, that can be a very foolish thing for you also. Okay, so let's start with the story. Deep inside a dark jungle there lived a lion. He was a big, handsome lion with a golden mane and fiery eyes. His name was Jung, and he was the king of the jungle. He like all kings, he too had ministers to whom he listened when he was in a good mood. So there was a jungle, and there was a king of the jungle whose name was Jung. Okay, so he is very handsome, he is very good looking, and he has this golden mane. So what is golden mane, students? Mane is basically the hairs that is around the neck. Okay, whenever you see a lion, जब आप lion देखते हो तो the hairs, आप उनके बाल देखते होंगे, that is around his neck and his face, that is called mane. Okay, and it is golden in color. Okay, and it has fiery eyes. Fiery eyes means angry eyes. Okay, his name was Jung, उसका नाम क्या था? Jung था, and he was the king of the jungle. Like all the kings, all the ministers, all the presidents have ministers. उनके नीचे जो काम करते हैं, that are called ministers. Okay, so likewise this Jung, the king of the jungle, he also has ministers जिनकी वो बात सुनता था, to whom he listened whenever he feel good. Okay, now what happened next? Jung ministers were 2 jackals, Chalu and Golu. The jackals, especially Chalu, were very cunning. They kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear, and they agreed with everything he said. They sang his praises and told him that he was the bravest and the strongest king on earth. Naturally, the king believed that his ministers were faithful and loyal. He thought he was lucky to have such wise ministers, so he looked after them, fed them, and took them along wherever he went. Okay, so these 2 ministers, the ministers of the king, they are named as Chalu and Golu. दोनों का नाम क्या था? Chalu and Golu. Okay, so they are jackals. Both of them are jackals, and they especially one of them, that is Chalu, he was very cunning. Cunning means he was very clever. Okay, वो बहुत ही चालाक था. They kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear. So what they do to make the king happy? He always praise the king. Okay, praise means, what do you mean by praise? Praise means when you compliment others, when you say some happy things, not happy things, some good things to others, like you're so handsome, you're so brave. Okay, so what these 2 jackals do to make the king happy? They praise him. Okay, they compliment him that you are the bravest, you are the strongest king on earth. Naturally, what happened? The king, he felt happy and he thought that both of his ministers were very faithful and loyal. दोनों क्या है, उसकी तरफ faithful हैं, they are very loyal, okay, वो हमेशा उसके साथ रहेंगे. He think that, okay. He thought he was lucky to have such wise ministers, so he looked after them. So finally he thought that I am so lucky that I have these two faithful ministers, and what he do for them, he looked after them, he protect them, and he also fed them. Okay, fed means whenever you give food to others, okay, जब आप किसी को खाना देते हो, that is called fed. Okay, feeding. So what he do, the Jung, he fed them, वो उनके लिए खाना लाता था. He looked after them and protect them from other animals. Okay. Now next what happened? The jackals hardly did any work. They did not have to fight their enemies to protect themselves, nor did they have to hunt for food like other animals. They grew fat on whatever Jung killed. Soon they became very arrogant and did not allow any other animal to come near the lion or became friendly with him. So what happened? After some time, the jackals, they don't do any work. Why? Because the Jung was here. Okay, Jung उनका सारा काम करता था, तो वो कुछ भी नहीं करते थे. They hardly do any work and they just sleep and eat. Okay, so what happens after some time? They grew fat, वो मोटे हो गए. Okay, and they feed on whatever Jung killed. Jung उनके लिए कुछ भी hunt करता था, वो उसे खा जाते थे. Okay, soon they became very arrogant. What is arrogant? When you think that you are superior. आप जब सोचते हो कि मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ या तो मेरे अलावा कोई नहीं है. Okay, that is called arrogant or arrogancy. Okay, so what happens? They became very arrogant. They think they are superior and they did not allow any other animal from the jungle to come close to Jung. Okay, next what happened? One day Jung was at the river for a drink. When he heard an animal below, it was so loud that the whole jungle echoed with the sound and startled the lion. He had never heard anything like it before. In fact, he had rarely heard the call of other animals since they were all scared of him and stared as far away from him as possible. Okay, so one day what happened? The Jung, the king of the jungle, he just went to the river for drinking water. Okay, and he heard a animal sound. Below means the sound, a loud sound that animals make. Okay, आपने देखा होगा कोई भी animal होता है वो बहुत तेज कभी आवाज निकालता है ना? That is called bellow. Okay, so he heard a sound of an animal, a loud sound, and the whole jungle, whole means पूरा जो जंगल था, it is just echoing that sound. Echoing means when you heard that sound in repetition. आप किसी भी खाली रूम में चले जाओ और whenever you go to a valley, तो आप क्या करते हो, जो साउंड होती है आपकी वो बार बार आप पे रिपीट होती है. You heard it twice or thrice, है ना? That is called echoing. Okay, so the whole jungle, पूरे जंगल में उसकी आवाज़ गूंज रही थी. Okay, with the sound. Okay, so when Jung heard it, he startled. What do you mean by startled? Startled means he get in fear. He was frightened. वो डर गया. Okay, he had never heard anything like it before. Why he got frightened? Because he never heard like this. Okay, any sound he never heard it. And in fact, the other animals who live in the jungle, they don't make any sound. वो कुछ भी जो बाकी animals रहते थे जंगल में कोई भी आवाज नहीं निकालते थे. Okay, and those animals, they stay away from whom? From Jung. Okay, frightened by the sound, he went rushing back to his den, pale with fear. His ministers were surprised to see the king trembling with fear and wanted to know what had happened. At first, Jung would not tell them anything. He was too ashamed to let them know that he, the king of the jungle, was afraid of a sound. But the next day, the same thing happened. Then Jung called his ministers and told them that he had decided to leave the jungle and go away. So what happened after that? He was very much frightened. He was in fear. वो डर रहा था. कौन डर रहा था? Jung. Okay, so he rushed back. He rushed means when you move fast. Okay, so he rushed back to his den. What is den, student? Den is the cave. Okay, जहाँ पे king रहता था, where the lion lived, that is called cave. It is also called den. Okay, So he was in pain and he was in fear. And what happened, the ministers, both Chalu and Golu, they come nearby the king and they ask that why you're trembling. ट्रैमलिंग मीन्स शेकिंग विद फियर. ओके, जब आप कांपते हो ना, जब आप डरते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रैमलिंग. ओके, सो दे सेड दैट व्हाई यू आर ट्रैमलिंग और व्हाई यू आर इन फियर, व्हाट हैपेंड, क्या हुआ. ओके, दे वांटेड टू नो दैट थिंग. सो एट फर्स्ट what happened, Jung would not tell them anything. Why he was not telling anything? Because he was too ashamed. उसे शर्म आ रही थी that what will happen if both of the ministers will know that I was afraid of a sound. क्या होगा जब अब मेरे ministers को पता चलेगा कि मैं सिर्फ एक sound से डर गया. Okay, so that is why he was not telling the ministers, both Chalu and Golu. But the next day what happened, the same thing happened. Okay, he again goes back to the same river and he heard that sound again. उसने दोबारा वही आवाज सुनी. Then Jung called his ministers and told them that he had decided to leave the jungle. So again he called his ministers, both Chalu and Golu, and he tell them that I have decided, मैंने तय कर लिया है that I will leave the jungle and I will go away from here. Okay, मैं यहाँ से दूर कहीं चले जाऊँगा. Chalu and Golu were very disappointed to hear this. What would happen to them if the lion went away? They would have to work to find their food and would have to live in fear of the other wild animals. No, they could not let the lion go to another jungle. They begged and pleaded with Jung till he told them that he had been frightened by a terrible sound. It could only belong to a strong beast who feared no one else in the jungle. Okay, so what happened after that? Both Chalu and Golu, when they heard that their king Jung, he was leaving the jungle, they felt very disappointed. Disappointed means they felt very sad to hear this. Okay, उन्हें बहुत दुख पहुंचा. And they were thinking that what would happen, क्या होगा if the lion went away, because the lion was feeding them, the lion was protecting them, उन्हें बचा रहा था from what, from whom, from other wild animals. Okay, so they are thinking that what would happen अगर lion चले गया तो हमारा क्या होगा. So they wanted that lion should stay back and lion should live in the jungle with them. Okay, so they begged and pleaded. Begged and pleaded means उन्होंने कहा please, प्लीज़. जब आप किसी से भी बोलते हो ना कि प्लीज़ टेल मी दैट, और जब आप किसी से हाथ जोड़ के कुछ भी प्रार्थना करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड बेग्ड एंड प्लीडेड. ओके, सो दे टोल्ड जंग दैट प्लीज़ टेल अस व्हाट इज़ the incident happened with you, why you are so frightened, and what happened that you decided to leave the jungle. ऐसा क्या हुआ कि तुमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि तुम जंगल छोड़ के जाने वाले हो. Now at last what happened, Jung, he finally told them that he heard a terrible sound. उसने अचानक से कोई terrible sound सुना and he thought that it would be a sound of a strong beast. किसी बहुत बड़े जानवर की वो sound थी and he was in fear. Okay. Hearing this, the two jackals smiled to themselves, for they knew that there could be no animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. They thought that the Jung was very foolish. Just because the animal had made a loud noise, it did not mean that it was more powerful than the lion. But they did not say this to the lion. Instead, Chalu said that he would go and find out more about the animal. What if the beast kill you? Asked Jung. To this, Chalu replied craftily, a faithful servant is not afraid of losing his life in the service of his master. The king was very pleased with this reply. So what happened after that? They heard that Jung was feared of the terrible sound, and they smiled. They looked to each other and they smiled. Okay, दोनों जो ministers थे, दोनों जकाल से, उन्होंने एक दूसरे को देखा and they are smiling. Why they are smiling? Because they know the real truth that no other animal can be much more stronger than Jung. Okay, because you also know beta, whenever you talk about a jungle, you know that the strongest animal that live in the jungle is lion. Okay, so they thought that Jung was very foolish, Jung was very stupid, कि Jung जो है वो कितना बेवकूफ है, that he was thinking that other animal is stronger than him. Okay, so But they did not say this to the lion, okay? They did not say the truth to the lion, and instead what happened, the Chalu, the clever jackal, he told that I will find out and I will go back to the river and I will find out the animal whom you're scared, okay? मैं वो animal ढूंढ के लेके आऊँगा जिससे तुम डर रहे हो. एंड जंग रिप्लाइड दैट व्हाट इफ द बीस्ट किल यू, अगर उसने तुम्हें मार दिया तो क्या होगा. एंड दिस चालू रिप्लाइड क्राफ्टली. क्राफ्टली मीन्स क्लेवरली, जब आप किसी को कुछ भी झूठ बोलते हो, ओके, और उसे मतलब बहुत स्मार्ट वे में प्रेजेंट करते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्राफ्टली, ओके. सो अगेन द चालू, द क्लेवर जकाल, ही रिप्लाइड दैट I will be not afraid of losing my life if I can save your life. कि अगर मेरी लाइफ इसमें अगर मैं लूज भी कर लूँ, अगर मैं मर भी जाऊँ तब भी मुझे कोई डर नहीं है, ओके. आई विल बी फेथफुल टू माई मास्टर, मतलब मैं आपके लिए काम करूँगा, ओके. सो द किंग वॉज वेरी प्लीज विद दिस रिप्लाई. जो किंग था वो बहुत खुश हुआ. प्लीज मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस रिप्लाई ऑफ चालू. Chalu with Golu in tow went off towards the river. To their surprise, the jackal found that the animal that had frightened the lion was a big bull who had lost his way in the jungle. Chalu scolded the animal for making so much noise and disturbing the king of the jungle. The bull became quiet immediately. He told Chalu that he did not know his way around and that he was willing to go and tell the king that he was sorry for annoying him, but he first wanted the king to promise not to harm him. Okay, so what happened after next? Both the jackals, they go at the same river to find out the animal, and what they find out, they find out a bull. Okay, उन्हें कौन मिला वहाँ पे? A big bull, and who lost his way in the jungle. Okay, he could not find his way, मतलब उसे रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा था जंगल में, and he was lost. So Chalu, the jackal, he scolded the animal, the bull, okay, why you're making so much noise and why you're disturbing our king Jung, okay. So the bull, he immediately became quiet, वो अचानक से चुप हो गया, and he told that I did not want to annoy and I did not want to disturb your king, okay, and I am sorry for that, but I lost my way, कि मैं इस जंगल में भटक गया हूँ. That is why I am screaming, that is why I am making this loud sound, okay. But the bull wanted that the king should promise, that Jung should promise that he will not harm him, okay. तो but जो bull था वो चाहता था that if he will go, अगर वो जंग के पास जाए तो he should promise that वो उसे harm नहीं करेगा, उसे चोट नहीं पहुंचाएगा, okay. So this is the first part of the story, and in the second part we will continue with the story, okay students. Thank you.